To make vanilla cold brew coffee and vanilla latte gummies, we need to cold brew the coffee the day before to extract the most caffeine and best flavor from the beans. To make about 3 cups of a regular strength vanilla cold brew coffee, start with freshly roasted coffee beans. This brew uses coffee beans grown in Colombia and are a regular roast. Use a spice mill or coffee grinder to coarsely grind 100 grams. Then fill a large enough container with a liter or 4 cups of water and add the coffee grinds with 2 medium-sized Madagascar vanilla beans. A 2-liter wide-mouth mason jar is a good size to brew the coffee in, and a tight-fitting lid allows the brew to be easily shaken a few times while the coffee brews in the refrigerator for about 20 hours. Then strain out the grinds. Stored in the refrigerator, vanilla cold brew coffee will stay vibrant for a few days. To make half a pound of vanilla cold brew coffee gummies, bloom 12 sheets of gelatin and quickly heat 200 grams of vanilla cold brew coffee with 25 grams of icing sugar and bring to a boil. Then dissolve the bloomed gelatin into the coffee. Quickly strain into a squeeze bottle and allow it to cool for about 5 minutes or until cool enough to handle. Then carefully portion the hot liquid into the molds and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before molding. Store vanilla cold brew coffee gummies in the refrigerator for up to a week. To make half a pound of vanilla latte gummies, bloom 12 sheets of gelatin and quickly heat 50 grams of cream and 25 grams of icing sugar with 150 grams of vanilla cold brew coffee and bring to a boil. Then dissolve the bloomed gelatin into the coffee. Quickly strain into a squeeze bottle and allow it to cool for about 5 minutes or until cool enough to handle. Then carefully portion the hot liquid into the molds and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before molding. Store vanilla latte gummies in the refrigerator for up to a week.